Hey girls, this is Trisha, CEO of Queenly. I'm here to give you a quick, simple run through of our app to make it easier for you to navigate. So as you can see here, this is our homepage where you can see all of the dresses that all these beautiful girls have posted on our site and on our app. And then up top here, you could search by designer. So if you want to see just MacDougall, you can filter through that. And then if you want to filter more specifically, you could do your size. I could usually range between 0 to 4. Favorite colors, red, purple, gold. And then for the style, let's see, mermaid, train, side slit. And then click update your search. And here you can see all of the beautiful gowns and dresses that are going to be under your search. And if you want to filter by the price, let's say under $2,200. And let's click on the first one. This is a beautiful, beautiful dress with this amazing train, as you can see, and great beading. So it's a Sherry Hill, $2,000. It used to be $5,000. And here in the details, that's where sellers are able to put different things that, let's say the dress fits smaller than a 2, or only worn once, or won a state pageant, etc. So here, you can ask a question such as, let's see, what can we ask? Okay, let's say, is the train detachable? You could ask that, and then you would be notified via email and via app once the seller has answered your questions. And here, if you scroll down, you could also, look at the person's closet. So every user has their closet, and you can see all the dresses that they have for sale. Now, there are two ways of buying. You can either make an offer, so you can offer $1,700, and then you could add your shipping info afterwards. So when you make an offer, you can always cancel it, and then you are not charged until the seller accepts your offer. So there's really no risk there. But if you can't wait and you really love this dress, you can also buy now. So that's simple. Okay, now for the selling side, you can click this camera icon in the middle, and as you can see, these are all my dresses for sale. So this is my dress, etc. And then this is how you can upload your dresses, photos, say the size, color, condition, etc. More details, designer, and then if you want to sell it for $500, and it will tell you what you will receive afterwards. We take a commission of 18%, which is a lot lower than other competitors such as Poshmark and Mercari. They take 20% and above. So this covers our shipping, dry cleaning, packaging, authentication, and also running the platform. And then once you've put everything, this is where you post your dress for sale. And then here, these are where your favorites go. Forgot to mention. So on the homepage, if you like something, you can click the heart, and it will be saved in your favorites. Right there. Ta-da. And here in the activity tab, this is where you will see all of your offers, all of your purchases, etc., etc. And also your profile, which is, you can put in your title, your height, email, phone number, etc., payment method, and your referral code. So I think that's about it. Yes. So everyone, that's Queenly. Please, please, please feel free to email us if you have any other questions, but we would love to have you join us on our platform because let's make this industry more sustainable. Thanks, girls.